You are most welcome to the computer class. Today we are starting page number 66 of chapter 5, Tools of MS Paint. Rotating and flipping images. Rotating means if you want to move a picture, if you want to rotate a picture, that means upside down. How we will do? You have to go to the home tab, then you have to click on the image group, then you have to, there will be a rotation option. You have to rotate it according to the size. See here, go to the select, at first select the picture, then rotate right. If you want to rotate it right, then right 90 degree. If you want to rotate left, then left 90 degree. If you want to rotate it 180 degree, there are three options. You can select from there. Okay, in the menu option there will be select the direction and the units by which you want to rotate the image. Thus, or select directions in which you want to flip the image. The image will get rotated or flipped. Okay, and what is the meaning of flipping? Flipping means it will give you a mirror image. Okay, when we look at the mirror, what happens? If we look at the mirror, if we are, our right hand looks like, in the mirror it looks left hand. That is called mirror image. And we can do this from this only, from this options only. You have to go to the home tab, you have to select the picture, then you have to go to the home tab. There the options will come. If you want to flip vertically or flip horizontally as you wish, you will choose, you will get the flip. That means the mirror image. Resizing images. Resizing images means you have drawn a picture, but now you want to make it bigger. Then what you will do? You will select the image, then you will go to the image group. Their resize option is there. From there you have to resize and skew. Dialog box will appear. If you will click on the resize, then resize and skew dialog box will appear. Then you have to maintain the aspect ratio checkbox. Resize area, how many pixels, that means how much bigger you want to do or how much smaller you want to do. Then if you want to make it bigger in width, you have to choose the horizontal box, and if you want to do the new height, it is vertical. Okay, click the OK button. Now you will click on the OK button. You will get the resize option. In this one you will read by yourself these boxes. Now skewing the image. Skewing means the image means twisting or tilting. In our live class we have already done that. Okay. To use the skew option, we have to click on the home tab, then you have to select the image using the select tool. In the image group, click the resize and skew, and then you will get the skewing. Okay. Next, undo and redo commands. Undo means if you have done any wrong, you want to go to the back, whatever you done previously, you have to click on the undo button. Okay, and if you want to do the redo, that means you want to come back, then you have to click on the redo. Okay, and these things you will get in the quick access toolbar. See? Okay, so read the chapter. Till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.